Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the Safari browser is not opening website on your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device. So if you're using Safari browser and it's not opening the website, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if the Safari browser is not opening the website on your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS devices. So first of all, here you will have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device. And first of all, here the first thing you'll have to make sure that the strong internet connectivity. So first of all, here you'll have to make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then you'll have to disconnect with the Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile phone data, then here you will have to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again. Then after that, go back. Then after that, again open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here scroll it below, and here you will need to search for Safari browser. So here is Safari, you will need to tap on this. Then after that, you will see this type of interface. Here scroll it below, and here is the option of advanced. You will need to tap on this, and here is the option of website data. So here you will have to wait a while. So after that, here you'll have to scroll it below, and here you will see the option of remove all website data. You'll have to tap on this and tap on remove now. Then after that, go back, and here you'll have to scroll it up, and here you will need to tap on clear history and website data. Then here you'll have to select all history, then tap on clear history. Then after that, here you'll need to close this tab. Then after that, here you'll need to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears on your iPhone or iPad desk. After that, here you'll have to again open setting, then here scroll it below, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here you'll have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then here you'll have to have on background app refresh, and here you'll have to turn on the background app refresh on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then here you will need to again scroll below, and here again search for Safari browser. So here you'll have to tap on Safari, and here again tap on advanced, and here is the option of block all cookies. Here make sure that this toggle is disabled from here. Then after that, after all this setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed and the Safari will working smoothly on your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS devices. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.